All right, this here's a 1557 Hot Blast stove. As you can see right here, it's a 1557. It's a model. It's a Hot Blast. Got a Tractor Supply. I built me a room at the end of the house. It's a double wide. Just built it 4 foot wide, 8 foot long, 8 foot tall. As you can see, I built me a box. I'm pumping the heat right into my ductwork. Come off of it with 2/8 end up box, come out with a 12. My crossover in my house was 12-inch. Hooked right into my crossover. I'm pumping hot air over 80 feet one way. My cold air intake is pulled right out of the back of the stove. I didn't even hook it to my house yet. Don't know that I will. This thing does a really good job. Got my door on the back of it to the back of the stove. This thing will hold fire for 8 hours, 8 to 10 hours easy. It's not that big a deal. It does real good. Heats really well. The furnace in the house never kicks on. Usually you can run the temperature whatever you want it. I run this thing on low. You can't really get it up on high. It puts out a lot of heat. It stoves heat up to 2,500 square feet. My house is 2,200. As you can see, some hot coals, not much of a fire. My room's a little better than 70 degrees. It's about 33 degrees outside right now. But you really get this stove cranking, you got a lot of heat. This thing really puts out a lot of heat. It's got dual fans on the back. 550 CFMs a minute is the fans that's on it. Like I said, you can get this stove at Tractor Supply. If you're thinking about putting one of them in a double wide or something. It's right here, it's all self-contained, it's outside, there's no mess in the house. This thing does a really good job. I may end up putting a cold air intake from my house back to the stove out, and I haven't decided yet. Right now it works great for what it does. I mean, it does a great job. Puts out a lot of heat and don't eat a lot of wood. For the area that's heating, it actually does good. It's like I said, it's 2,200 square feet home, double wide. And this stove right here really puts it to it. Your furnace won't even, my furnace never kicks on. So, does a good job.